Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the Vantrue N4 Pro 3 Channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam and the REDTIGER 4K dash cam. Get ready for some intense comparisons and a whole lot of laughs.
Let's dive right in. Alright, let's talk about the most important feature of a dash cam: video quality.
The Vantrue N4 Pro boasts a mind-blowing 4K resolution thanks to its cutting-edge Sony Star VIS-2IM-X678 sensor. It's like having a mini Hollywood movie camera in your car. Now let's shed some light on night vision capabilities.
The Vantrue N4 Pro comes equipped with 4K HDR Sony Star VIS-2 Super Night Vision.
It's like having a bat's eyes in your car.
No more blurry or dark footage at night.
Moving on to features, the Vantrue N4 Pro has some serious tricks up its sleeve.
It offers OTA firmware update, faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS.
You can update your dash cam wirelessly, access videos and photos on your phone, and even embed speed stamps in your recordings. Talk about high tech. Alright, let's talk about parking mode. The Vantrue N4 Pro offers 4 parking modes for 24/7 protection.
It's like having a personal bodyguard for your car, ready to catch any suspicious activity.
Last but not least, let's talk about the price. The Vantrue N4 Pro comes with a price tag of $419. But hey, you get what you pay for: top-notch quality and features. The Vantrue N4 Pro has received rave reviews for its exceptional video quality, night vision capabilities, advanced features, and comprehensive parking modes. Customers have praised its high-tech performance and durability.
On the other hand, the REDTIGER has received positive feedback for its decent video quality, user-friendly interface, and affordability.
However, it falls short in comparison to the Vantrue N4 Pro in terms of advanced features and overall performance. And that's a wrap, folks.
The Vantrue N4 Pro 3 Channel 4K Wi-Fi dash cam takes the crown in this epic showdown. But hey, if you're on a tight budget, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam is still a decent option.
Remember, it's all about making the right choice for your needs and budget. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The links to both products are in the description. Stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll see you next time.